this video, we are going to learn what LUTs are and how to use them in Photoshop. To start using LUTs, open Photoshop with the file you intend on editing. In my case, I have this image of a wooden house in the middle of the lake. Before anything, check that your workspace is set to photography by going to Window, Workspace, Photography. We do this because certain modes don't have the adjustment panel visible on the right hand side. Now that's in view, we can locate the checkerboard icon labeled Color Lookup and select to open it. Assuming this is your first time using this feature, you'll find some pre-installed looks that come with Photoshop. They can be useful for certain projects. But in my case, I want to install a cinematic LUTs pack from Triune. I'll leave links in the video description if you want to follow at home. In this panel, you can import LUTs by selecting the Load 3D LUT option. I don't recommend this as it's slow and tedious. Alternatively, go to your local drive in My Computer and locate the directory I have on screen now. You can copy and paste the LUTs into this folder, save your document and restart Photoshop for the files to load in. Once your project is open again, double-click on the Color Lookup Adjustments layer and select the LUT you'd like to apply. Notice I only see my imported LUTs since I deleted everything else before adding these in. For ease of use, you can use the scroll wheel on your mouse or arrow keys on your keyboard to filter through looks quickly until you find something reasonable. Of course, you can duplicate an adjustment layer by selecting it in the Layers panel, holding Ctrl J once to duplicate it, stacking different styles on top of each other and blending them together with the opacity slider for a unique effect. There are unlimited resources on the internet, including plenty of free LUT packs for you to choose from. I'll leave links to some of my favorites in the description, but be mindful of those who contributed with paid options as they clearly produce better results. And this was Design Dummy.